I chose Cathedral for the rigorous academics and the AP Capstone program, become close with my teachers, and have research projects that are very involved and that I never thought I would be able to do.
I love being here at Cathedral because it feels like family.
I love the atmosphere, I love the friendliness, so you love everybody here and they're very welcoming.
They develop their passions here at Cathedral. They've learned humility, compassion, empathy, showing kindness.
The emphasis on the Holy Cross charism is really attractive to me because it roots everything in the power of the cross and the resurrection. Our Catholic identity is really what attracts me here and keeps me here and keeps me engaged and fervent and on fire.
Cathedral is integrity.
Cathedral is family.
Cathedral is divine providence.
Cathedral is educating hearts and minds.
Cathedral is excellence.
Cathedral is zeal. Cathedral is option for the poor.
Cathedral is inclusive.
Cathedral is diverse.
Cathedral is hope.